everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Taylor and I am a stay-at-home mom of 3. And I usually make videos about lifestyle, cleaning, decorating, home content. And also I love Disney, so if you clicked on this video because of that, I am so excited you are here. I would love to have you if you would subscribe. So this is the second video in my Disney series, and it's going to be what I bought for Disney. And I'm not going to show every little thing that I am packing. That will be another video, but I am going to show you the new things that I am taking. So this is going to be in no particular order. I just have the box sitting right next to me, and let's get to it. The first item is going to be some Mickey ears, mini ears. And these are from the shop Factory55. The first pair is this one, white with Spaceship Earth and some pink flowers. And these come just like this in the package. You do have to buy the headband separate. But that's why I like this shop particularly, because you just buy one headband and then you can just buy the packs of ears. So it just doesn't take up as much space in your suitcase, and it's really easy to switch out. The second pair are for Magic Kingdom. It says 50 years. This side has the Tree of Life and Hollywood Tower. This side says Celebrate with the castle and Spaceship Earth. Let me show you the bows I got for those. So with the purple ears, I got a gold bow, and then for the Epcot ears, I got a pink bow. And you can also pick which color you want as well. These are from Fairest of Them All Boutique, which sadly she is no longer in business. I ordered these at her closing sale. But I figured I would go ahead and show because I'm sure that you can find something very similar if you like these. So here's the Animal Kingdom pair, just black with some animal print Mickeys with a brown bow. And then this pair is Grogu with a black bow. I think those are so cute. I know his name is Grogu, but he's still Baby Yoda. He will always be Baby Yoda. And then also from her shop is, I got this cozy. Very cute, because it actually kind of broke. So that's kind of unfortunate. But the next item is some KT tape. I have never used this before. I got this off of Amazon, and I was looking at the different uses that you can use it for, but I didn't see what I wanted to use it for, but I'm still gonna try. I wanted it for like lower back pain because that is the area that really bothers me at Disney with all the walking and standing and everything. So I'm going to see if I can find any videos on how people use it that way and how to apply it, because like I said, I've never used it before, but I've heard really good things. This is from Ryan and Rose. It is a Cutie Holder, and it says that it's a universal silicone holder. Holds keys, phones, bottles, and you can use it on strollers, kitchen faucets, bathroom handles, bicycles, chairs, outdoor equipment, and more. So yeah, I got it for the stroller as just kind of an extra spot to store whatever, and you basically just, that's what it looks like. You just kind of loop it through itself on whatever you're hanging. So really easy to take off and on, and I love this company. I use their pacifiers and little passy clips for my 2 youngest boys, and I'm trying to think if I used anything else. I can't remember right now, but I love that company. It is a woman and mom owned. These I found off of Amazon. It is a 20 pack of travel hangers, and they come in all those colors, and they are really neat because if you're like me, you never have enough hangers for all your clothes. And not necessarily just for myself. I mean like Mickey and whoever else I'm traveling with. There's just never enough. So they come like that, so you can use them for kids, or you can unfold them and use them for adult shirts. I'm very excited to try those out. I'm not sure if I'll take the whole bag. I probably will actually, just because I don't know how many I'm gonna need. But so yeah, it will take up quite a bit of space, but like I said, I think it will be worth it. I found these off of Amazon, and of course I will link everything that I can down below, but I will say that these, oh my gosh, these go in and out of stock. So I will link them, but I can't promise that they will be able to purchase. So I picked the yellow and red colors. I mean, can we? So cute. So it's just a portable fan. It has 3 modes. I do wish that you could like change the light color, or if it was just white, but it's really a very insignificant small complaint, so it doesn't really matter. And then they also came with these stick-on, I guess, key ring. So I might try to find some carabiners just to hook them on and have them for easy access. I really did like that. It also came with like a flower shaped one, but I don't really know why you would use that whenever like the area to place it was this shape. But I mean, I guess if you really wanted to, you could have used those, but I just chunked them. I won't link this because you can just find it anywhere, but it is Moleskin. This is basically for any like rubbing that you're experiencing. I really like to use it for my shoes. If I have a spot that I feel like is rubbing and will possibly give me a blister, you just cut a piece of it and it sticks to your skin. And it just provides, you know, like a barrier between the two, so it won't give you a blister. Do not use this on an actual blister though. It's adhesive, so if you stick it on your blister, it's probably not going to feel very good. But it's very cheap, and you can find it at any drugstore. This is a pocket-size travel phone holder, and I got this for the plane, specifically for Holden to use, so that I could put it on the lap table and put my phone on there so that he could watch shows or whatever. And that way he wouldn't have to hold my phone and I wouldn't have to worry about him dropping it or anything like that. It would just stick in here. So I feel like this is really going to come in handy. The next thing, I'm not going to take this out because you can just see what it looks like. It is they actually market it as a bike phone holder, but I'm going to try to stick it on the stroller just as an extra spot to put our phone so that we can actually see it and not like stick it in a pocket or whatever, because whenever you're at Disney World, you're on your phone a ton. So I just think that would be really nice and handy to have your phone just right there in front of you and be able to do whatever on it and not have to pick it up. This is from a shop called Shop Castle Park, and it is just a Mickey hat keychain. I think I'm going to put this on my fanny pack, or just any other bag that I'm taking. Maybe even the diaper bag. I'm not entirely sure yet, but I thought it was really cute, and it comes in several different colors: white, black, red, and pink, I believe. These shoes I found at Walmart. They are just kind of a dupe for a very popular sports sandal. They have a platform on them, very cushiony with the Velcro straps. They were very inexpensive, I think like 15 bucks. And I just kind of wanted something, you know, a different option, because your feet get really hot at Disney World and sometimes you just don't want to have sweaty socks. I am not sure where that cut me off at. I knew that my battery was about to die, so if you noticed that I was trying to hurry, that's why, but I was not fast enough. So like I was saying, I bought these just as another option because I do not like to wear really hot, sweaty sneakers every single day. And also it's just really nice to change up your shoes so your feet kind of, it sounds weird, but experience something different. So got those, very excited about them. The last item is from Amazon. It is a electronics organizer, and I really got this one. I mean, I do like the functionality of it, but I honestly got it because it matches my toiletry case and a jewelry pouch, I believe. I think that's the only two things that I have, but yeah. So, you know, I like to match. But also, I did not realize this until I received it, but it has a spot where you can just slip an SD card right in there. I thought that was really nice. So there is that, and also this one has a lot more room than my current one does, and I like how it opens up really flat. My other one doesn't do that. So it is kind of hard to see everything and organize it and keep it neat and tidy. So I think this one will be a much better option. So that is everything. I am sorry that I kind of rushed. I hope I explained everything enough and gave you a thorough, I guess, pre-review. Because a lot of this I've never had before. I think I'm most excited about this. I think this is so neat. So that wraps up this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and it gave you some ideas if you are going to Disney or another theme park anytime soon on things that you might want to buy for your trip. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!